Dear traders, here in this video I'm going to tell you about an indicator that is buy sell indicator and is used by many traders for easy scalping, and they are performing almost 98% trading by using this indicator. This indicator is not only be used for the forex but also for crypto and stock market. And before going towards the details, I want to tell you that which broker I'm using for my trading, that is Exness. If you want to open your account with Exness, you can have the 5 options of accounts. They are standard, send, raw spread, zero and pro account. They are trustworthy for their deposit and withdrawal method, plus they give you maximum profit for you each trade by taking very less commission or no commission at all. So if you are interested to open your account with Exness, you can get the link in the description of my video. Let's move towards the strategy. Here I will be telling you that first of all you have to set your time frame 5 minutes for day trading or for the scalping, as this strategy will be best for 5 minutes time frame. The first indicator that we are going to apply here is the PSAR support resistance. This is by trader Harik Krishan. 206 traders are using this indicator. You have to simply click on it. It will be applied on your chart. Here we are going to do few of the settings in this indicator. So you have to click on the settings tab. You have to uncheck few of the options: plot, SAR high, SAR low, and then moving average 2 as well. Then we will go into the inputs tab. From inputs tab, we are going to change few of the things. Shift SR forward or backward. We will change from 10 to 11. We will change our SR time frame from chart to 15 minutes. And we will change our start time from 0.02 to 0.01. And we will also change our increment from 0.02 to 0.01. And the last thing that we are going to change is the maximum from 0.2 to 0.3. We will click OK, and our chart is set for our this trading strategy. The second indicator that we are going to use here is the parabolic SAR Marcy. Marcy Adaptive MACD by Locks. 205 traders are using this indicator. We have to simply click on it. It will be applied on our chart. Now we will go into the adjustment into its few of the things. The first thing that we are going to change here is the inputs. Into the input, we will change its time frame from this chart to 5 minutes. We will change its fast RSI from 14 to 12. We will change its fast MARSI speed from 1.2 to 5.2. We will change its low RSI period from 34 to 38. We will change its show Marcy speed from 0.8 to 4.8. We will also go into the style tab, and we have to change the opacity of all 4 colors one by one. Okay, now our chart is ready for our trade. First of all, I want to tell you that whenever our PSAR support and resistance, this indicator will give you buy signal, and we have to look towards our MARSI, Marcy, PSAR, Marcy, AMACD. It has to give us the green color candle above zero level, and our market has to make one green candle. We have to enter into the trade for buy position or for the bullish signal. Conversely, if we see that our market is giving us our PSAR support and resistance is giving us the signal of sell, we have to look towards our PSAR Marcy AMACD, that it has to give us the signals in the red color candles, and that should be below zero level. We have to see that our market is making the red color candles. We have to take entry into the market for our sell position or for the bearish signal. One more thing that we have to look towards this indicator is that our market has to move in between these two levels that are support and resistance level. Always remember, whenever our market has cut or crossed this reach or this resistance level or the support level, it always go out of it, and then this level, which was first support resistance level, it will be converted into support level, and we have to wait for another resistance level. Then this is working as like resistance level, but our market has moved above this, so we are going to wait for another resistance level again, and this will be acting as a support level. So this is all about the strategy. If we check in any other pair, for example, New Zealand USD, you can see here as well that the market has given that PSAR support and resistance. This indicator has given us the signal, buy signal. We have to look towards our Marcy A MACD, that it has to give us green color candles, and that should be above zero level. We have to look forward towards our market to form a green color candle, and if this position, all the conditions are successful or these all conditions are fulfilled, we have to take the entry for the buy position or for the bearish bullish signal. But if our market has the level of this, as this is the level of resistance level, so our market has to move towards this and it has to push back. So this will be assuring us that we are in the right trend. So we have to take the entry for the bullish position or for the buy signal. Okay, now this is another signal that we received by the indicator, that is the sell signal. So we have to look towards our MACD indicator, that this is forming red color candles below zero level. Now we are looking towards our market that it has also formed red color candles, so we are sure, and we have to take the entry with confidence that we are in the right trend, and this is the downward trend, and we have to take the entry for the bearish signal or for the sell signal. So this is all about the strategy. All the traders are using this indicator with the confidence that they will earn maximum profit by using this trading indicator. That is the best buy sell indicator, and that will be used for the scalping strategy in 5 minutes. So do use it for your own trading, and if you found any value in this video, do not forget to subscribe and like my video. Thank you so much. Good luck for your trade.